I just hit start record. Okay, everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing Flood Escape, because Rainbow Friends got so many views, we were wondering why, and we thought, what if it's because it's a nostalgic game? So we will be doing more nostalgic games in the future. Because we're assuming that's what you guys want to see. Yeah, I mean, I didn't touch the water, I somehow made it. I can use this water sword to stun you and kill you. If it stuns you or anything like that, let's say. Oh, on top. Okay, climb up fast. I'll get this green one. Hup. Okay, the door's open. Lol, noob. I made it first. Water. Yeah, you get... Okay, I'll get this button. I got the button. Get the next one. Okay, I got it. You got that one, Okay, don't die, it'll be funny, but... Ow, I almost just fell. Okay, I'm gonna water sword this guy. I'll get the left one, trust me. I know what the code is. It was nothing. The code was nothing. Yay, we did an easy room. Now I think we should do another one more easy and then a medium. Get in. Okay, I'll get the button. Oh, hey, the glass. Oh, it just fell. Okay. The door's already open, so. Who are you? Ooh, wait, I can change the color. I want it green. Now it glows. That was so worth it. No, stay over there, You're gonna... I mean, I tried to say. I can. I didn't make it. They're gonna get it, Come on, jump down. We can make it. Just jump down here and then you gotta do this parkour. Then to the left. And then you gotta use your sprint and then super jump. But you're not cool enough for that last part. Do you even have a sprint? No. Oh. Okay. You go up, I'll hit the button down here. You keep going up. I got it. Keep hitting more. Okay, I hit this blue one. Okay, that one was hit. Okay. We got this. We just did this now. Yeah, easy. Now we just gotta do the code again. Water sword. Wait, let's see if the answer is... Oh, okay. Okay. And now a medium. Let's go. I am a winner. Medium is not open. 2 more people have to escape. Do you think we can win? I don't believe in you personally, but let me water sword you while waiting. Can you move? It summons water shards that like stop you from moving, so I could technically kill us both in the next round. I'm fine with taking one. I'm fine with taking out myself and the team. Just go in. The water sword's awesome. Get in, get in. Get in, anyone else that wants to join. We're fine with using other people,
Wait, you do dash? No, I should probably say
No, it doesn't spend it. You don't spend your wins. That's not how it works. It's like it's like points. You're gonna keep your points even after like winning something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Don't fall. Okay. I don't know where you are. Come on, fast.
Oh, no, dude.
Jump across and then go left. Jump onto this. No. Okay. Still alive. That's good. I'll go get that. I got this blue one. Poop! He might have died, but he died. Yeah, he sacrificed himself. He sacrificed himself and died. May he rest in peace, and may we rest in victory. We can't let his death be in vain. Oh, I fell. Go up the ladder. Oh my gosh, our teammate died somehow. Okay, I got this button. I got the button. Oh, yeah, my dash ability is not gonna be ready by then. It is. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Oh, you died. Oh no. Oh no. No. We gotta redo medium. I don't want to talk about my side of the story. Would you like to share about yours? Get in, get in. Do you have dash?
No.
You have 4 wins. How much is it? Is it 4 or 6?
It's 6.
Ah, okay. Well, bam. Okay. I'll go for green. I mean, I didn't press it, but at least I felt like I did. Come on! I got a sabotage pixel! Did you just fall? Are you dead? Oh wait, you can still make it! I'm sabotaging one of our teammates while you're making it. Make it... I was sabotaging pixel. Okay, they opened it. This way, to the ladder. Where are you going? Come on, I gotta sabotage Pixel again. It's funny to just hit him with the water sword. Okay. This is the last one we have to win, I believe. Oh. Oh. Come on, we can win this. No, run to the box to the left. Get on those boxes. Oh, geez, that was the wrong way. Wait, you can still live, you just gotta jump onto the back of these. And then this. Then this. Then this. Yeah. None of our teammates have died yet. I swear if you fall, Dale. Okay. Oh, wait, we got it. No, yes, we did it. Don't look at that badge. Don't look at the badge. I've beat medium before. Let's do medium one more time and then hard. We do 2 of each. Get in. Do you have, oh wait, you only have, 5 wins now. Why isn't this person getting in? Get in. Back up, then go in. Oh well. Oh wait, they made it in. Okay, you live, I'll help get buttons. Okay, we got all the things. Oh, no. Live. Make it. I did not shove you.
No, someone else did.
Oh. Well, who? I'll hit him with the water sword. I killed them with the water sword. I summoned water particles and then jumped to it. Okay. Go, go, go. Jump. And jump. Yes. One more person, okay. Oh, geez. 3 people already died. Okay, we just gotta beat this level. Sprint. Oh, wait. No, wrong way. Yeah. Go this way. I think. Jump. We really suck at all directions. So, like, left. Wait, no. Right. Wait, no. One last time. Yeah, I'll get it. Oh, I fell. I probably shouldn't have sprinted. No, you stay. I'll get it. Oh, you got it. Okay, make it back safe. Okay, just need left. You just need the code. I'll get the left side. You help with the right. Okay. Okay. Boom, we are awesome at this. Let's do hard mode. Hard mode.
I got dash.
Yay, you gotta like claim it. And then oh, hard mode's ready. Oh wait, someone in this room has the trophy. Yo, wait, you only need 20 wins for it?
Yeah. What does it do?
It's just the trophy. It's just the trophy you can hold. Don't think they're special. They only got 20 wins. They could have gotten all those on easy. Okay. We're still alive, right?
Yeah. Shoot. Where do I go?
Oh, no. Other way. Oh, no. Go. Left. Yeah, climb. Okay, this one, it rotates. Someone just died. Okay. We made it through the 4th level. I'm pretty sure there's 4 of them on hard instead of 3 or 2. Hup. Okay, I got this button. Okay. I'll get this blue one. Oh, no, you gotta go across. Who are you? No, I see your body. I'll win. I'll avenge you. I'm at least assuming that you'd want me to win, but I don't know for sure. Then I'll make sure I win. I got the green one. No! I just fell and saved everyone else. No, let's at least spectate them. Is that the last one? Because I swear, if that was the last one and I basically just saved. It was the last one. I just slipped. They're about to win, but at least then they're gonna do it again. Okay, we got this. Get ready for hard. Oh, there's more people. We got this, and I have a trophy. Ooh, shiny, shiny. Look at it shine. You see this? You see all this glitter? Shiny. Do you have a trophy? Do you have a trophy? Yeah, that's what I thought. I got a shiny trophy. Okay, let's win this. No, I can't sprint. My dash won't work. My dash won't work. You what? Is that your body? Oh my gosh, that's pathetic if you already died. Okay. Right. And the Volpe had no collision. That's how you fell through it. Oh, you're dead. You just went AFK randomly. We're gonna go back and go, Mom, you killed me in my game! I gotta do something important. I gotta change the color on my flood sword. Okay. That was very important. More important than you know. No one's dead yet on this level. Come on, come on. I'm sabotaging. I'm joking. I wasn't joking. I was trying to sabotage them. Okay, we got this. Boom. 1, 2. I got 2 of them. Run, run, run. No! My spin's locked up. Okay. I'll avenge you by winning this, okay? I'll avenge you by sabotaging everyone else. Is that what you would have wanted? Everyone else to lose? Is that what you would have wanted? Boom, 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 boom. Easy. Yes. We won! Look at my shiny trophy that you don't have.
Alright, boys. I think this is time we should wrap it up.
Yep, thank you all for watching. We're awesome. Well, me. Mainly me, not him. Only me. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all like this. Like the video if you want to see more nostalgic games. And comment down below what kind of game do you think we should play. Bye. Hey, you're stuck. You can't move.